Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up on the weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, also on a yearly time frame. Bitcoin has been having a very crazy year, starting the year around $16,000, getting to as high as $32,000. Right now Bitcoin trades around $28,000. Bitcoin got to as low as $25,000. Can we set new highs before the end of the year? Bitcoin dominance has gotten to new highs. Currently, Bitcoin dominance sits at 52.23%. We'll be taking a look at the Altcoin season index, which is heavily in Bitcoin season right now. Where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll also look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Are we going to finally see the bulls take over? Are we going to finally see extreme greed return to the cryptocurrency market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. We're seeing some signs of life in the cryptocurrency market. Over the last 1 week and the last 1 month, a lot of coins are having double-digit gains. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is up 6% on a weekly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Bitcoin is up 8.2%. In the last 1 year, Bitcoin has seen a 49.7% increase. Where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we see Bitcoin dropping to new lows this year, or are we pumping to higher prices? Two sides to a very interesting story. Bitcoin started the year around $16,000. We were going through very long crypto bear market. Bitcoin finally bottomed in November of 2022. To be exact, Bitcoin bottomed on the 21st of November 2022. Ever since then, Bitcoin started rising to higher prices. Even though the market was bearish, even though sentiment in the market was negative, Bitcoin started the year with a blast. The first 100 days of the year saw Bitcoin rallying up by about 100%. Bitcoin went to as high as $32,000, but ever since Bitcoin got that high, Bitcoin has been ranging. Bitcoin spent the next 6 months going from as high as $31,000, dumping to as low as $25,000. But luckily for us, Bitcoin held that $25,000 support. Bitcoin went down 20% in a 6 month period. Bitcoin started to pump to higher prices on September 11th. We saw a huge jump to gobbling town. Sentiment in the market was garbage. A lot of market participants were expecting lower prices. We saw extreme fear return to the cryptocurrency market, but right now the bulls are back. Right now we are seeing neutral sentiment. It means the bulls and the bears can decide where we're heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks. I believe before the end of the year, guys, we're going to see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. And if we see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, we are going to see Bitcoin rallying above that $2,000, maybe even getting to as high as $40,000 before the end of the year. I believe a massive pump is around the corner. Bitcoin dominance has been making big pumps to the upside. Bitcoin dominance got to new highs yesterday, which is very good to see if you have been holding Bitcoin. But guys, that's a bearish sign in the long time. That's a bearish sign, and if you're looking at it from a long point of view, Bitcoin has been pumping since September of 2022. Bitcoin dominance went from as low as 38%. Bitcoin dominance right now sits at 58%. Bitcoin has been pumping faster than the rest of the altcoin market. Bitcoin has been pumping better than every other cryptocurrency in the last 1 year. But guys, that's where the good news coming for other altcoins, because after Bitcoin finished pumping, we'll see capital flow into the altcoin market. So as Bitcoin is pumping right now, we should all be cheering to see higher values for Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks, because when Bitcoin dominance starts dumping to gobbling town, we'll see all this capital flow back into the altcoin market. Right now we are heavily in the Bitcoin season. If you don't know what Bitcoin season is, Bitcoin season happens if Bitcoin is performing better than 75% of the top 50 cryptocurrencies over the last 90 days. And right now Bitcoin is having a great time. Bitcoin is performing better than them. But guys, you want to buy altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season. You want to buy Bitcoin when we're in altcoin season. And right now will be a good time to be leaving Bitcoin to do those altcoins, because right now your Bitcoin is worth more than those altcoins. Now, how high do we expect to see Bitcoin go before the end of the year? Are we going to get rejected at that $32,000 level? I believe we're going to see Bitcoin blasting about that $32,000 level. and I believe we're going to see Bitcoin attempt to go to $40,000 before the end of the year. The last time we saw Bitcoin trading at that $40,000 region was way back in 2022. Bitcoin has not been able to rally above $32,000 since when we went to Goblin Town in June of 2022. If we see Bitcoin having that final pump to the upside I've been talking about, first stop is at $6,000. Our second stop will be $43,000. How high do we expect to see Bitcoin market cap getting? Bitcoin's market cap sits at $559 billion. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin's market cap rallying to as high as $779 to $800 billion. We saw Bitcoin's market cap in this bear market even drop to as low as $298 billion. That was way back in November of 2022. Huge difference a year can make. If we see Bitcoin rallying to as high as $40,000 before the 21st of November 2023, that will see Bitcoin pumping a total of 163% in just 1 year. But guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Bitcoin pumping to new highs is very bearish for 2024? Or do you think Bitcoin pumping to new highs is bullish for 2024? Because we see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, the general consensus in the market is that next year we're going to see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices. So if Bitcoin ends this year on a very bright note, that means maybe, just maybe, we're going to have a bearish 2024. Bitcoin sits above $28,000 with a market cap of $559 billion. Bitcoin has a 24-hour trading volume of over $15 billion. The total supply is sitting at 19.5 million coins. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins. And where can you get some Bitcoin for yourself? You can get Bitcoin on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, BitTop, Kraken, Bitstamp, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, anywhere you get your cryptocurrencies, you can get Bitcoin right there. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, originally described in 2008 white paper by a person or group of people using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. It was launched after in January of 2029. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin is having a great year. Bitcoin is having a great week. Bitcoin is also having a great month. We're finally left that $25,000 region. Bitcoin is showing some signs of strength, attempting to blast above $30,000. How high do you see Bitcoin going before the end of the year? Are you a bear? Are you a bull? Do you see Bitcoin continuing this big pump to the upside? Or do you see Bitcoin breaking down, dropping to new lows, heading back towards $20,000? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.